In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders on your eBay account, especially if you're a beginner. It's essential to keep track of your order processing status and understand eBay order details whether you're buying or selling. Let's dive right in to help you navigate your eBay account with ease. First, we'll be looking at how buyers can check their orders. To get started, simply log into your eBay account using your preferred web browser. You'll need your username and password handy. Now, once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll see the My eBay menu right there. Hover over it to reveal a drop-down list. It's time to click on Purchase History. By doing so, you'll bring up a comprehensive list of everything you've bought, past orders, current orders, you name it. This is an excellent way to keep an eye on your purchases and ensure everything is on track. Now let's switch gears and focus on sellers. If you're selling on eBay, staying on top of your order statuses is crucial. From your eBay dashboard, start by heading to the My eBay section. Click on it, then navigate to Selling. This will open up a new window specifically designed for your selling activity. In this window, click on Orders, and there you have it. An organized list of your sales awaits you. Within this Orders section, you'll notice several tabs that help categorize your sales. There are tabs titled Awaiting Payment, Awaiting Shipment, Paid and Shipped, and even cancelled returned. Each of these tabs provides exact information on the status of your sales, allowing for better organization and management of your transactions. Clicking on each tab will reveal the orders under that specific status, which is incredibly handy for maintaining your workflows. Let's explore what's displayed for each order, starting with buyer information, which is vital for communication and shipment details. Next, you'll see the order total, giving you a clear picture of what was purchased and the corresponding cost. You can also view the date the item was purchased, ensuring you're aware of your timeline for handling orders. The shipping address is another crucial piece of information to verify before sending out items. Once you input the tracking information, it will be displayed here as well, making it easy to update the buyer on their order's journey. Finally, each order comes with a unique order ID, which is useful for any support queries or reference needs. And that's it. Whether you're a buyer or a seller on eBay, knowing how to track and check your orders is invaluable. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.